Hello everybody, we're out here at beautiful Granite Bay Golf Course and in the chipping area, in the short game area. And my goal today is to demonstrate what's called a clock gear method for pitching. It's really an effective method for being able to control distance and be able to utilize and calibrate trajectory. And I think you'll like it if you give it a shot, okay? So one of the things you can do is you can use the clock method, which is, if you don't know, an imaginary clock that would be behind me, and then up behind my head would be 12 in this clock, and down below my feet would be 6. If I took the club to about this hour, it would be approximately 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock would be there, 9 o'clock would be there, 10 o'clock, which some people refer to as a three-quarter swing, would be about there, and full swing would be 11 o'clock. And you can even get more specific with this and actually do half hours. So if 7 o'clock was here and 8 o'clock was here, I could go to 7:30 and call it that, and that would give me even more precise distance. Now, you can do this with 3 golf balls, being able to get to a blend between how fast you go in your speeds or gears and what hour you're going in. And the sum of the hours and the gears will actually be the same end result as far as distance goes. So let me give you an example. On a 5-speed transmission, we're going to pitch in 3rd gear, which is just our regular medium swing speed. It would be almost like putting speed. And if we wanted to slow the club down to, let's say, 2nd gear, we go in a much slower gear, and then 1st gear even slower than that. Now if we pair a high hour with a slow gear, we end up with a much different trajectory off the golf ball than we would with a low hour and a faster gear. So I'm going to demonstrate the 3 different shots and the end results all being the same, with 7 plus 3 equaling 10, 8 plus 2 equaling 10, 9 plus 1 equaling 10, and all the end results getting the same. Take a few practice strokes here, and away we go. Good, 7 and 3. Now we're going to go 8 and 2. Get a few practice swings in here. Almost the same distance as that. And then finally we're going to go 9 and 1. Bigger hour, even slower gear. And that's a really good example of how the clock and gear method would work. All getting the same answers as far as end distance, but different trajectories, depending on where the green would start on your hole. And thank you very much from Granite Bay.